A massive tornado tears through everything in its path. Homes, trees, cars, nothing is safe when nature unleashes this kind of raw power. Out on the open sea, people spot a giant whale rising from the depths, a breathtaking moment that reminds us how small we really are. A sudden rock slide nearly buries a group of tourists. One wrong step and it could have been over. Watch how close they came to disaster.
No. No, man. No. Твою. Ужас.
Giant hailstones rain down, shattering car windows and covering everything in ice. This isn't just weather, it's a full-on assault.
Your tires.
Heavy rain leads to a lightning strike so powerful it sends a shock through the ground. One spark and everything changes. Thick fog causes a chain reaction crash on a bridge. Dozens of cars pile up in zero visibility. Total chaos, caught on camera. Out of nowhere, a tornado forms and begins tearing through the area. Eyewitnesses film as it destroys everything in its path. Relentless rains trigger a devastating flood, swallowing cars and sweeping entire houses off their foundations. Watch the terrifying power of water as it reshapes the landscape. In a shocking moment, witnesses capture a massive ship rolling over near a bridge. You can hear the panic as it goes under, a reminder of the sea's unpredictable fury. Monster hailstones rain down from the sky, smashing car windows and denting everything in sight. This isn't just ice, it's nature's artillery fire. The ground itself turns against them. Rivers of molten lava pour from the volcano, burying roads and forests in its path. There's no stopping this slow-motion disaster. Flash flooding turns streets into raging rivers, carrying away vehicles and cutting off entire communities. 1 minute you're driving, the next you're swimming for your life.
Oh my god. Sorry for being late. This is unbelievable.
A tsunami, born from a distant quake, crashes into the marina, swallowing over 1,000 yachts in seconds. The sheer force of water is absolutely staggering. The floodwaters rise too fast, too strong, and the bridge simply gives way. Concrete and steel are no match for nature's unstoppable flow.
Anybody that knows me knows that this was going to happen. Yeah, mom sent me texts going, "You left me with a freaking out child."
Oh my god!
Back in 2022, a huge meteor lit up the sky in Idaho.
ngước lên giống như là nữ thần mà.
Wow.
He forgot his wallet.
Here we go.
Earthquake hit Alaska. Well,
It's good. Hostia.
Get that on video.
Officially over. 어떡해요.
Let's go.
this
Oh my gosh.
On the camera, I can't even see the screen. Holy. Whoa, look at that! The red one, you see that?
Wow.
Whoa! Oh my god.
What the?